Hello, guys. Good morning. It is Dave Santarelli from Santarelli Trading Exchange and BreakingChartAlerts.com. I wanted to do this pre-market video here. We got a couple of minutes until market open, so let's go over a few things here and start the trading day. First off, welcome to Breaking Chart Alerts. If you're new to us, you guys can go to BreakingChartAlerts.com. Use promo code CHALLENGE to save 30% off our yearly membership. And I'm Dave Santarelli from Breaking Chart Alerts. It's nice to have you with us this morning. And in today's video, we're going to go over the top news, top market movers, and top economic events here today. So let's get started and let's jump into everything here, guys. Alrighty, so number one, top news here. Okay, we got a couple of things going on. Number one is going to be the initial jobless claims. You know, as you guys could see here, the continued claims for July 23rd, 2.93 million versus 3.26 million. A big beat there on the continuing claims. Initial jobless claims, 385,000 versus 384,000, prior 400,000. So we saw a big drop compared to last week's unemployment numbers. That's really good. That's why we're seeing the market get a nice little bounce here in the morning. All right, so that is the top news as far as unemployment numbers came out this morning. Now let's take a look here. As you guys could see, Robinhood, the company stock fell 11.3% pre-market after it announced it would sell an additional 97.9 million shares over time. The shares will come from various selling stockholders, and the company won't receive any proceeds from the sale. Robinhood had surged more than 50% on Wednesday's trading. I locked that in beautifully yesterday at nice timing. That was a great job, guys. Wayfair, the home furnishing seller shares leaped 8.7% in the pre-market hours after its quarterly revenue profit of $1.89 per share came in well above consensus estimate of $1.15. Company also said its $3.9 billion in revenue during the quarter is well above pre-pandemic run rates, which is incredible. Regeneron, the drugs company stock, added 3.3% in pre-market trading after beating top and bottom lines estimates by a wide margin. Results were boosted by demand for its COVID-19 antibody cocktail. So that was a big one right there, guys. Next one here was Papa John's. That was a really nice one that came out. Papa John's Q2 earnings smashes estimates, expands partnership with Drake Food Service, and they boost their dividend by 56%. So you guys can take a look at that and see what's happening there. As far as the top economic news is concerned, guys, you guys know what came out today. We had the unemployment numbers, initial jobless claims, and the continued claims. They were really good today, so that's why we're seeing that little pop here in the market. Dow is now open. We're up 95 points on Dow. NASDAQ's up about 13 points. S&P 500's up about 10. So we're getting a nice move there. That's looking pretty good. And now, guys, for the top market movers here. Let's take a look. As you guys could see here, top pre-market movers right here. You guys could see a few here. Nothing really too major that I like on here. Datadog was upgraded after it had a really great earnings there. And over on the right, the top losers there, nothing really that we trade. So that Lemonade was pulling back quite a bit. 5 or 2 pulled back quite a bit there. Okay, so as far as the top upgrades, downgrades, price changes for the day, let's take a look at those, guys. Top upgrades for the day. You guys can see here, Fox got upgraded by Guggenheim there from a neutral to a buy. Let's see here. What else here? Anything else good? Wynn Resorts was upgraded from neutral to buy. Walmart was upgraded from equal weight to overweight. Definitely got to take a look at Walmart. Put that on the watch list. Eli Lilly, Etsy, quite a bit. Halliburton, so you're seeing quite a few. Avis Car Budget, ticker symbol CAR. They smashed earnings incredibly. We're going to be taking a look at car here too. So let's write that down. CAR, WMT, and we could possibly take a look at, what was the other one I wanted to take a look at here? Halliburton, HAL. So we could take a look at those three there, see what's going on. Nothing else I really like. I don't like Win there either, but that's the top upgrades. Now let's take a look at the top downgrades here for the day. Top downgrades. Another one, you got Etsy. Nothing really else on here that's pretty good. GoDaddy was downgraded. Fastly was downgraded. But nothing too major there. Now here is the top initiations here for the day. As you guys could see there, not anything really. Coinbase initiation from initiates a buy rating. I'd stay away from that. Victoria's Secret, guys. Remember we were talking about Victoria's Secret yesterday. It's one of those cyclical trends here as we're going into the holiday season. Everyone's going to start buying those Victoria's Secret panties, bras, and everything going on there. It's just a normal cyclical trend that happens around this time every year from now until November, December. So that's definitely one we're going to be taking a look at today. And then as you guys can see here, here is some of the top price changes for the day here. The big one, JP Morgan boosted the price target on Avis Budget, ticker symbol CAR, from $75 to $100. Avis Budget shares rose 3.3% in pre-market trading to $77.41 a share. And guys, I'm telling you, that one's just going to continue. They said they jacked up prices 3 times, still continuing to climb. Down at the bottom there, Wells Fargo raised the price target on Walmart from $150 to $165. Walmart shares rose 1.1% to $144.35 in pre-market trading. And Costco, there you go, Ray. Where is our buddy Ray Janis? That's one that he trades just about on a daily basis there. So as you guys could see, Telsey Advisory Group boosted Costco Wholesale Corporation, ticker symbol COST, cost, price target from $440 to $465. Costco shares rose 0.5% to $437 in pre-market trading. So that was that. Now let's take a quick look. I like to go over the top performing sectors every morning, see what's moving there. That way we could kind of get an idea if there's any type of sector rotation or anything that we want to take a look at. Because if you're in tech, you see a pullback, of course we got to readjust there. And I'm looking at our P&L today. We're up about $2,000 today. Really nice move here today. We're going to get to that shortly. But let's take a look at this week's top performing sectors. Now, this is for the past week. So as you guys can see, number one on that list, consumer discretionary, followed by capital goods, technology, healthcare, financial, utilities, basic materials, and transportation. Okay, so we got to start looking at that consumer discretionary, capital goods, and healthcare. I want to start looking at those soon. Okay, so that is pretty much it. I would really like if you guys could go to our YouTube channel here. If you guys are on YouTube, please give this a thumbs up. If you guys are on Facebook watching us, give this video a thumbs up, share it for us. That'd greatly help us, and I'd really appreciate that, guys. But go to our YouTube channel, subscribe to our channel, click the bell to get notified every time we go live to start off your morning. And I'm hoping everyone has a really great day here. If you guys want to follow us, you guys could follow us on Facebook, Breaking Chart Alerts. On both at Breaking Chart Alerts, and on YouTube, search Breaking Chart Alerts, and come join us there. So that's pretty much going to do it here for us today, guys. And I hope everyone is having a really great day here. Starting off the day great. We're up about $2,600 right now. So let's get over here and let's get over to our main section here. Let me get that off there. Alrighty, guys. So now let's take a look here at some of the stocks that we're in. So now let's go over here and let's go over to the screen share. And now let's take a look and see what we're going to be doing here for today. All right, so first off here, guys, let's take a look and see what is going on. All right, so we picked up some calls on Sophie yesterday. We got a nice gain on Sophie still. We picked that up pretty early. The big news here, guys, remember that AMD put we got yesterday that I held on to yesterday? You guys remember that? Let's see. Where is the trade room? You guys could comment here on the chat. I could see everyone's comments here. All right, so you guys remember that we picked up yesterday? Let's see. Skyjack said yes. Well, Skyjack, take a look. I'm up about $1,000 here on that right now. So I'm going to sell to close that at about 350. Let's see if I could get 355. Sell to close, place trade. And I'm going to see if I could get about 355 for that as AMD pulled back quite a bit there. And I think that just sold. We just sold AMD order status. Let me see here. I just completed, sold that AMD there. We sold it at 355, locked in about a 20% gain there. Those AMD puts were beautiful. Let's take a look at that AMD chart here and see exactly what we did there to lock in that profit. And guys, just from that one little trade there overnight, take a look at what we locked in here on AMD right now. Hold on one sec. Okay, so let's see here. We got a nice gain on the day here, still climbing, even after that nice. All right, so here was that put that we just locked in here, guys. This was a really nice one, quick one overnight. So now, as you guys could see there, that was a nice one. That AMD put, it made us a quick $559.72. I mean, we just started the day here 10 minutes ago. We locked that in. That's looking good. Account's still climbing here, looking pretty good. So we locked in that AMD put, started off the day already with a nice $560 gain by locking in that. Now, here is AMD. It pulled back from those highs a little bit, so that's really nice pulling back there. Now, here's the thing with AMD chart. If I zoom in a bit, we could still capture some major downside on here if she comes back down to support right around 105. So if that comes down to 105, that's still a, an 11-point drop from where it's at. It's still pulling back quite a bit here. So keep an eye on that. That's a pretty decent one to keep an eye on. Let's see here. What else we got going on that we could be looking at here? Our Sophie trades in the green. Let's take a look at Sophie here, SOFI. See what we want to do with that. That one's still climbing there. Doesn't look too bad. Let's see. FCX has got a nice little pop here today, guys. Here's FCX climbing off that blue 20-day simple moving average. I'll zoom in a little bit more there so you guys can see that. I'm watching over here on the right. Moderna is up another 5% here today as COVID cases climb. $441 a share. It was just at $300 a little bit ago, guys. You guys remember we had the 2023 Expo on Moderna when it was at, $30, $40? Man, that is one that if I held that, I think I had about a $15,000 trade on that early last year when the pandemic started. Held that, I'd be retired by right now. $440 a share. That's an incredible run there. So FCX is still running really nice here. Square, guys, did you guys take a look at Square? We got Square popping out big time here. 272.18 starting that breakout here. It's only Thursday. Man, if we could get to that 280 on Square, that is going to make me one happy guy because that trade then is going to be in the green. So it's nice how when we follow that trade plan, you guys see here how we had a couple of days. Notice these candles where we got the body below the previous candle's body here. Okay, that's showing us signs of a retracement. I told you guys about that the past 2 days, and that trade is going to be turning green here shortly. That's a really nice breakout on Square. If we take a look at that today 1 minute chart, big breakout there from 265 all the way up to almost 275, a 10-point climb in just about the first 13 minutes of the trading day. So that's looking really good there. Skyjack said he's up 220% on Square. Amazing job, guys. Tyler just said my Square trade just turned green. Nice job, guys. Carnival Cruise Line got a big pop here. Dr. Gutman, I was talking to him yesterday. You know, that was a nice opportunity to add at that 21. I'm looking for that 1020 cross. We already got that MACD cross on Carnival Cruise Line. So I'm looking for a break above that 10, 20-day simple moving average. Have that crossover. Moving average convergence divergence is already crossed. We are, you know, trading above the zero line on the histogram of the MACD, showing us some signs of momentum there. So that's looking really great. You know, it's looking really good. So Skyjack's up 220%. Congratulations, Skyjack. Nice job on that one. Let's see if she could break that 273 and continue that move higher there. Let's see what else is moving here. FCX is moving. Disney's finally getting a move here, guys. Disney earnings are going to be next week. She's nearing 174. Stock's up about 0.64% here. Got to climb. I told you guys we had some nice support right around that 172.50. If we continue this climb now, and let's take a look at Disney here. I'm going to zoom in a little bit here. I want you guys to see if we start getting that climb to continue to break out from now until earnings, that's going to make us a really nice profit there. So we got a nice little pop here today, guys, on the unemployment numbers that came out. Really good numbers. Just watching everything here. Apple's holding above that 20-day simple moving average. CCL starting to break out here. If we take a look, Ford shares are up over 2% here. We got a nice climb on Ford. We got some base support right around that 1350 on Ford. We could certainly be looking at some longer-term trades on that. Maybe a leap, something 9 months or further out till Expo, and target up to that, you know, $15.50 to $16 target area on a leap. You know, Square's up 2%. It's up, you know, $6 there. So I like the way that's moving. PayPal's moving nicely. Remember, I told you guys yesterday about a hook on PayPal. Where is James at? I told James to remind me about that because that green candle here is going to give us a confirmation of that hook pattern. You guys know exactly what a hook pattern is. We have that top at 310. We have the shaft, which is the drop from that 310 down to support at 270. The difference between 310 and 270, that's 40 points. So we look for a pop of about half of that retracement from the highs to the lows there, that base support. And then once we get that base support there and the confirmation candle with candle above previous candle's body, that's signifying a breakout and some climb from that base support there. And this is a hook pattern setup. So we look for a 50% climb from that retracement from 310 down to 270, 40 points. Divide that by 2 is 40. 40 plus 270 is going to take us right up to about that 290, which, as you guys could see, is a nice resistance area going all the way back to, you know, June of this year here. So that's looking nice. We're still getting a nice continued climb here in the market, guys. Everything's still breaking out beautifully. We got Disney taking off here, and we got Square on the climb, and we got some nice moves here. Sophie trades up 3%. That's looking pretty darn good here today. Let's see what else we got moving. Disney. Let's take a look at Disney. She's a mover. So that is looking pretty good there on Disney. I might be doing something else with Disney there. Stock's up about 0.9%. Apple's starting to get a little pop there. CCL is still on the run. That's looking pretty good. Top market movers over here on the right. You guys can see Petrobras. I mean, that freaking nailed it. Stock's up 11% here. That's an emerging market there. That's one of the largest oil refineries out in Brazil there. So, you know, they had a lot of corruption with the company there back a few years ago. It was bought out independently independently. So things of PBR are looking pretty good. If we take a look at PBR chart, look at that breakout. Came down to support of around $10 a share, and it's just continuing to climb. If you're in that, you could be targeting about $12.50 short term. If we go way back further out prior to the pandemic, this has got some room to run up to at least $15 to $20 a share. I like Petrobras. Obviously, Brazil is one of the hardest hit with the pandemics now, so they're still in some lockdowns. So, once they start lifting that and they start getting their vaccines, Petrobras is going to be one of the great emerging market stocks to get into for a leap there. Guys, Square's at the highs of the day right now. Square is continuing to break out. We got a trade on Square, and we are almost at highs here. Well, we're at new days highs, but we are almost at new all-time highs. We are just a couple of bucks away from new all-time highs, guys, on Square, and that is looking really good here on Square. Sophie's continuing to climb. We got FCX looking good there. Let's see. Disney's up $700 for the day. You guys saw we locked in that beautiful profit right there on AMD. That was a heck of a nice gain there. And then, here's what we're up so far today with our trades as well. So we got a nice P&L here today. As you guys can see, we're up $1,635.60 plus what we locked in. So we're up well over 2,000. And, this is just continuing to climb here. It's just insane. We're up over $1,700 now, 1,750, 1,770. And we're just continuing to break out here. That's why I say patience, discipline, following that trade plan is the most important and critical thing to your success as a trader. And we're still breaking out, up $1,769.50. And now we're up over $1,817 plus that 500 and some we realized from AMD. So we're getting a nice breakout here, guys. And like I said, every single day I've been trying to mentor you guys, showing you guys the trade plan, what we're looking for here. So now we're finally starting to get that pop. We got good unemployment numbers that came out. So let's see if that continues into next week here. Next week, we got some major earnings coming up here as well. Square, new highs of the day on Square. Now we're up about $1,900 for the day, unrealized, plus the 500 and whatever it was that we realized. So there we go. Up $1,884.50, continuing to run. Now we're up $1,914 unrealized here as we just continue to climb. Everything's looking pretty good here. Markets continuing to break out. Dow's up 137 points. NASDAQ's up 48, and we got the S&P up about 13 points right now. And we are just continuing to climb, break out, looking pretty good here. And look at this. We're up $1,952 right now as we continue to break out. There we go right there. P&L $1,952 plus the 500 we realized. Now we're up, over $2,000 here now for the day. $2,057 unrealized for the day plus the 500 and some. And this just keeps going higher and higher and higher. Here we go, up $2,137 on the day now. So let's just let that continue to climb. We're getting a nice breakout. We're up almost 2,300 now for the day here as we continue that nice move higher. And that's being led by Disney. Disney is really breaking out here, guys. Take a look at Disney, Square. We got a really nice run there. Square is nearing $275 a share. Disney is breaking out beautifully there, nearing $175 on Disney. We got a continued run here, guys. A continued breakout. We're up almost 2,300 now, unrealized for the day, plus the 500. We almost have a $3,000 day on us here today, which is nice. We needed that. Now we're nearing 2,400 unrealized for the day as we just continue to climb here on these trades that we're in. Up $2,352. And we're just continuing to break out. We're up almost 2,500 plus the 500 that we have realized from that AMD put. So this is the beauty of following a trade plan, guys. You might get a couple of days where you retrace, but as long as you have that catalyst and as long as you have that momentum going forward there, and you're still in that breakout momentum per trade plan, everything's looking good, and we are still continuing to climb, make new highs, and we are now up over $2,500 here now for the day. We were up $2,442. Now here we're coming up on $2,600. So we're up about almost 3,200 for the day, $2,567 unrealized. And I mean, that just keeps on going. $2,610 now. I'm looking at some charts here. I'm seeing if there's anything I want to trade, but there's nothing I want to trade yet. I want these trades to continue to go in our favor and make us some profits as we continue to look good here. Skyjack says he's out of the square trade for a 300% gain. That's a nice job there, Skyjack. Out of square, 300%. That's a hell of a great trade. Tyler's up 50% on square. Great job here today, guys. Nice job. I love the teamwork. Loving the teamwork. Let's see what else we got moving here. Apple just turned green here. Square is having a heck of a day. Guys, that Square trade came right back here, right back. I think she's going to get up to that 280 today. She gets up to that 280 today. It's probably where I'm going to be looking to take some profits here. General Motors is up 2.64%. We have Ford shares up 2.33%. We have Delta Airlines up at 1.85%. We got some nice moves here, guys, and still breaking higher here. Still having a nice run. We were up $2,609.50. And I mean, we are just continuing to break out and make new highs here for the day. So looking pretty good here, team. We've been waiting for this. Airbnb is continuing to climb. That's getting right up to about that, what is it there, that 150. We're still breaking out here, making more new highs, up 26.34.50 now. As we continue to climb, $2,634.50 unrealized for the day, plus the $550 that we realized for the day, and we are looking pretty good here. Love the way we're looking. The only thing I do not like I said, is that whatchamacallit there, that Delta variant spreading. Let's take a look at Sophie. We got a 12% gain on Sophie. Do we want to lock in our Sophie profits? She's taking off now. She's in breakout momentum. 1020 cross. We already got the MACD that's had that crossover. First green line's above zero. First green bar's above the zero line on the histogram of the MACD. That's looking really great there. So holding on to Sophie. 3-month daily. Our Sophie trade doesn't expire till August 27th. Goes into earnings. I want to target at least $18 on Sophie, so I'll hold on to that. Apple's still climbing, looking pretty good here, and everything's looking pretty damn great. Got a nice breakout here, team. All right, guys, so that's going to do it for you guys. And if you guys want to come join us on, let's see here. Let me see. Where am I? If you guys want to come see us, make sure you guys come check out Breaking Chart Alerts. You guys could take a look. Go to www.breakingchartalerts.com. Come join us. And if you guys come join us, we're going to give you guys a special 30% off your annual membership. You guys could sign up now. Go to www.breakingchartalerts.com. Use promo code challenge. That's going to save you 30% off the yearly membership. And once you guys get signed up, you're going to get a welcome email of how to get started. And that's also going to include some private one-on-one classes with me, along with our app alert, text alert, email alerts, the trade room that you guys saw, and then obviously the live trading in the morning and in the afternoon. So come join us. If you guys have any questions, you guys could go and check out, you guys could go and check out the website here, breakingchartalerts.com, and check that out. I was just going to show you something else there, but I forgot what it was. But come over, check us out, guys, and we would be glad to have you with us. Again, I'm Dave Santarelli from BreakingChartAlerts.com. Hope everyone is having a great day. Nice way to start the day here as we're continuing that climb. FCS, Freeport McMoran's continuing to take off here. CCL's having a big move. Stock's up almost 4%, and we got Square breaking out beautifully here. So everything is looking pretty darn good. Square's looking good. And we got Disney taking off. Chevron's having a big run here, guys. Take a look at CVX quick before we get off. CVX came down to that 100, held that $100 support area, starting to break out. That has a big ex-dividend date coming up, August 18th, the ex-dividend date. So if you want to collect that $1.38 per share dividend, you have to be an owner of those shares by August 17th, and then you could sell it after the just listening to what they're saying there on that breaking news. So then you could sell it there 3 days later after the ex-dividend date and wait to collect those dividends there. So really nice setup. I think you're going to see a lot of people coming in and buying Chevron because that pays over a 5% dividend per year, 5% annual dividend a year. So that's really great there. I really think that's going to continue to take off. So, guys, come join us, BreakingChartAlerts.com. Hope everyone's having a really great day, and I will see you guys later. Take care. Have a great day, and we'll see you guys tomorrow for Day Trade Friday. There's a WW spiking to the high 31.24. Again, that very heavy call activity. October 32.5 call sweep on. We got Disney still taking off here. We got Freeport still on the run. We got a really big climb here, guys. Square is at new highs of the day on Square. Take a look at Square, guys. We got a big breakout. New highs of the day on Square. And that is running, breaking 278.20 a share, continuing in that breakout, 278.50. Big candle there from 276 all the way up to almost 279 now. We are in the green on Square. We're up over $1,000 on our Square trade right now, and we are in the green, guys. Square trade is in the green. I'm going to target that 280. Once we get up to that 280, I'll probably take a profit. We'll have a nice, decent profit on that trade. Great job, guys. And that's what I mean about that patience, discipline, following that trade plan and waiting for that continued breakout. And if you guys can take a look here at the, what is it here? The chart, the screen share. We were up $2,634. We're now up almost $2,900 here now, unrealized for the day. And, that's Square breaking out, $2,859.50. We're nearing in on $3,000 unrealized for the day. We're going to get there very shortly. But great way to start the morning here. We're going to look for some more swing trades. We're going to be looking for some day trades here. So hope everyone had a great day. Come join us. Subscribe to our channel on YouTube. Hit the bell to get notified. And I will see you guys in the trade room if you come join us. Thank you, and hope everyone has a really great day. Take care, guys. There goes Square again. Let's see there. Zamboni, I'm just seeing your chats now. AMD. Quantum, did you get in on those AMD puts with me? Josh says, good morning. Good morning, Josh. Good morning. Malachi Duncan says Square. Wow, Square's up 7% right now. Square's still breaking higher. What a breakout on Square, guys. We're nearing $3,000 unrealized profit for the day here. We are almost there. I'd love to show you guys $3,000 before I get off here. We're at 2,900 now, just waiting for an extra $100 to show you guys that, and we'll be set here. Weight Watchers sponsored study posted to Clinical Trials website, Clockwork postpartum weight management study, University of Pittsburgh, Obesity Society, and Weight Watchers that was posted to the Clinical Trials website. Looking pretty good here, team. Square is still breaking out. We got some nice profits on Square. Still running on that. Man, what a run here. We're up over $2,900 now for the day. I'm waiting for a couple extra bucks to get to that $2,914.50 we are up for the day. Plus the 550 that we had from realized profits from that AMD trade. So great job here today, guys. I can't stress that enough. We were disciplined. We followed through with our trade plan, and things are starting to break out really beautifully now. Let's see what else we got moving. Freeport McMoran's moving beautifully. Carnival Cruise Line's moving nicely. We just got a nice overall breakout in the market here. Alrighty, guys, so that is going to do it for us today. I hope everyone has a great day. Come join us, subscribe to our channel, hit that bell to get notified. Go to breakingchartalerts.com and make sure you guys use promo code. Challenge, and that'll save you guys 30% off the annual membership. And we will be happy to have you with us. So take care, guys. Everyone have a great day, and hope you're all making some money. Take care, guys. God bless, and stay safe.